It's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. Today's video is eyeshadow therapy episode 4, and the eyeshadow palette that I will be using today is the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. This palette was giving me peachy matte vibes, and that's really what I wanted to go for today, so that's why I decided to use the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place in this video today. Now, I always start off with using my favorite eyeshadow base, which is the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 2, and this is what you guys will see me use in just about all of my eyeshadow videos because it's my favorite eyeshadow base to use, and it definitely makes my eyeshadow literally last all day long. Now that's enough talking for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow therapy video today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. what my eyes are looking like once I went ahead and added some lashes and some eyeliner to my eyes. Now we're about to add some lips. This lip liner is Nightmoth by MAC, and I really like this lip liner because of how dark it is and because of the purple shade it gives me. I just feel like it looks really good on me. Now this next lip product that I'm going to use is the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Undefeated, and I really was just trying something different with these lips. I'm normally a nude type of a person, a nude pink type of a person, but I've been trying to expand my lip collection and just try different colors, so that's why I went ahead and chose this color. But after applying this, I realized I really didn't want my lips to be dark for this video, so I did go ahead and add a little bit of a red shade right in the center, and then I also topped it off with some gloss, which I did not get a chance to record, but I do show you guys exactly what gloss I use in the next clip. The next thing I'm going to do is set my face with this blue marble sealer, and I love this setting spray because this setting spray lets my makeup last me all day long. It does kind of have a little bit of a alcohol smell to it, but it is fine because my makeup be slayed all day long. This is the lip gloss that I use. It's the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I forgot the name of this lip gloss, but this is the first lip gloss that she launched in her line. Now this is what my entire face is looking like once I've completely slayed this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!